If you want to hide recent game activity on Steam, whether that's one specific game you're testing or your entire library from friends, this video will walk you through the fastest privacy settings to use. I'll show you the exact steps to hide a single game, and then I'll show you how to hide all of your game activity across your profile. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like, subscribe for more quick Steam tips, and let's get right into it. First, let's start with the best option if you only want to hide one game. Steam now has a feature called Mark as Private, and this is the most effective way to keep a single game from showing up anywhere it shouldn't. It hides your ownership, your playtime, and even your in-game status for that title, while leaving the rest of your library visible if you want it to be. To do that, open Steam and go to your library. Find the game you want to hide, then right-click on it. From the menu, hover over or select Manage, and then click Mark as Private. Once you do that, you'll notice an eye icon with a slash appear next to the game, which tells you that the game is now private. After that, it should no longer appear in your recently played list or in your friends' activity feeds. This is the option I recommend if you're just testing a game, making a tutorial, or you simply don't want one title attached to your public profile. It keeps everything neat, and it avoids changing your entire Steam privacy setup just for one game. Now, if your goal is to hide all recent game activity and make your profile much more private, Steam also gives you a way to control your full game details. This is the better option if you want to hide your library, your recent playtime, and your game-related activity from everyone. To do that, click your profile name in the top right corner of Steam, and then choose View My Profile. Once your profile page opens, click Edit Profile. On the left-hand side, select Privacy Settings. In that menu, look for Game Details. By default, this may be visible to friends or public, but if you want to hide your activity, change it to private. As soon as you set game details to private, your recent game activity becomes much harder for others to see. This also hides your wishlist and your achievements from your friends, so keep that in mind before you switch it on. If you only wanted to hide one game, the Mark as Private method is usually the safer and more precise choice. But if you want maximum privacy, setting your game details to private is the way to go. A quick tip here. If you're worried about something showing up in your friends list or activity feed, always double check both your individual game privacy and your profile privacy settings. Steam's privacy controls work best when you use the right one for the right situation. So to recap, if you want to hide a single game, go to your library, right-click the game, choose Manage, and select Mark as Private. If you want to hide your whole game history, go to your profile, open privacy settings, and set game details to private. That's really all there is to it. If this guide helped you hide recent game activity on Steam, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you want more Steam privacy tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.